Peter Attia says you need 4 hours of Zone 2 cardio every single week, plus 3 heavy lifting sessions, plus VO2 max training. The longevity experts on the internet are telling you to essentially become a professional athlete just to stay alive. And if you are like most high-performing men, busy, exhausted, dealing with a demanding career and a family, staring at your calendar, wondering where those 7 hours are going to come from, you close the app. You give up. And you tell yourself, longevity is for people who have time. But what if everything the fitness industry told you was a half-truth? What if the most powerful longevity signal your body can receive doesn't require a gym, a membership, or a single drop of sweat on a treadmill? What if the ultimate biohack takes exactly 60 seconds? Welcome to the VILPA Protocol. We are not guessing here. Let's look at the hard data. According to a landmark study published in Nature Medicine, one of the most rigorous peer-reviewed journals on the planet, researchers at the University of Sydney tracked 25,241 people. But here's the catch. They specifically studied people who had never exercised a day in their adult lives. No gym, no running. They equipped every participant with a precision wearable tracker and followed them for exactly 6.9 years. What they discovered completely rewrote the rulebook of human biology. People who accumulated just 3 to 4 one-minute bouts of intense incidental activity per day, sprinting for a bus, hauling heavy groceries, charging up a staircase, showed a staggering 40% reduction in cancer-related mortality, and their cardiovascular death risk dropped by 49%. And for those who pushed further, up to 11 of these microbursts per day, cardiovascular death risk dropped by 65%. Not 65% better than sedentary people, 65% compared to people who did absolutely nothing. The researchers gave this phenomenon a name: Vigorous Intermittent Lifestyle Physical Activity. It's the longevity cheat code hiding inside your daily routine. To understand why 60 seconds can restructure your biology, we need to zoom into your cells. Inside every muscle cell, you have mitochondria, the microscopic energy reactors of your body. Right now, if you haven't moved intensely in a while, they're running at minimal capacity. They're inefficient. They're aging. But the moment you pick up those heavy bags and sprint across a parking lot, something extraordinary happens. Oxygen gets ripped from your muscle cells in seconds. To your brain, this is not a workout. This is a survival event. This creates what biologists call hormetic stress, a controlled survival shock to the system. First, a master enzyme called AMPK fires. This is your cell's emergency alarm system. What happens next is biological warfare on your own aging process. The old, weak, rusted mitochondria get targeted and destroyed, a process called mitophagy. And in their place, your body is forced to generate brand new, high-efficiency mitochondria that are stronger, faster, and deeply resistant to cellular aging. You just hijacked your body's cellular renewal system in 60 seconds without changing your clothes. And here's what makes this even more extraordinary. According to the research, 1 minute of this vigorous effort delivers the metabolic benefit equivalent to 4 to 9 minutes of brisk, steady-state walking. Why does 1 equal 8? Because of the oxygen debt. When you do a light jog, the calorie burning stops the minute you stop moving. But when you execute a 60-second VILPA sprint, the oxygen deficit is so violent that your body cannot recover immediately, even after you sit back down at your desk. Your biology has to work overtime for the next 2 to 3 hours just to restore the cellular balance. This is known as EPOC, the afterburn effect. You invest 60 seconds of intense, uncomfortable effort, and your body pays you interest on that investment, burning stored fat for the next 3 hours. Now, let's build the protocol. This is the asymmetric game. The rules are simple, but the results are compounding. Rule 1. You need 3 to 4 VILPA bouts per day. That's your minimum effective dose. Rule 2. Each bout lasts exactly 60 seconds. Rule 3, and this is absolutely non-negotiable. You must reach the point where you cannot complete a full sentence. If you can comfortably talk to someone next to you, you failed. You did not trigger the survival response. You must be gasping for air. Cannot speak in full sentences. That's your signal that the biology has been activated. 89% of the study participants were already doing VILPA without realizing it. The protocol transforms unconscious movement into a deliberate longevity weapon. Here are your 4 triggers. You can start today. 0 equipment required. Trigger 1 is the staircase sprint. Every elevator you skip is a longevity investment. Sprint. Do not walk up 3 flights of stairs to your office. Drive your knees up. By the time you reach the top, your AMPK is firing, and you've just deposited into your biological retirement account. Trigger 2 is the grocery carry. This is the natural farmer's walk. Pick up your grocery bags, the heaviest ones you have, and walk to your car at the absolute fastest pace you can sustain. Squeeze the handles, brace your core. This type of loaded, vigorous, incidental activity forces massive cardiovascular recruitment. Trigger 3 is the commute dash. Park at the furthest end of the parking lot deliberately, then sprint to the building, or run 60 seconds to catch your train. You're not running because you're late, you're running because you're training. Trigger 4 is the playtime burst. If you're a father, your kids are the ultimate VILPA machines. Don't just watch them play at the park, join them, sprint after them, play tag with relentless intensity for 1 full minute. You become a hero to your kids, and you trigger a massive release of neurochemicals that upgrade your brain function. Here's the deeper truth that no fitness brand will sell you, because it doesn't cost anything to buy. Your body was not designed for the gym, it was designed for the hunt. For 10,000 years, your ancestors didn't schedule cardio. They sprinted after prey. They hauled heavy loads. They climbed terrain at full speed because their survival demanded it. VILPA is not a biohack. It's a restoration. You're returning to the system you were built for. The fitness industry commodified movement. They convinced you that exercise only counts inside a building you pay monthly to access. But your mitochondria don't check your gym membership card. They respond to one signal: intensity, short, sharp, unforgiving. Your environment is your equipment, and you are the experiment. Now you know how to rebuild your physical engine in minutes a day. But if your brain is still operating in a fog and your attention is shattered, your engine is useless. You need to repair your dopamine receptors. Click the video on your screen right now for the dopamine reset protocol and discover how to make hard work feel completely effortless. This is muscle mindset. Stop counting hours, start counting seconds. Upgrade your hardware, protect your software, and I'll see you in the next one.